Feeling like you are wasting time clicking around your computer? Unlock the power of Windows shortcuts and become productivity ninja. I will show you essential shortcuts to navigate your digital world faster and smoother.
Here are the top 10 Windows tricks. Let's go to tip number 1. Speak your thoughts. Tired of typing? Windows key plus H enables voice dictation. Talk it out and watch your words appear on screen. 2. Quick access to settings. Need to tweak your system? Windows key plus I opens the Settings app, giving you control over everything from display to network connections. Win key plus M minimize all open windows and restore them all at once. 4. Open File Explorer in a flash. Windows key plus E instantly launches File Explorer, the central hub for all your files and folders. 5. Secret Screen Recorder. Forget third-party software. Want to capture your screen with audio? Just press Windows key plus Shift plus R. 6. Your built-in AI assistant. Stuck on a task? Don't reach for your phone. Windows key plus C launches Copilot AI, ready to answer any question you throw at it. Paint gets artistic. Unleash your inner artist. 7. Alt plus Tab. The most I love it Alt tab which easily between your application at the time of working. Very nice. 8. Windows key plus D. Instantly go to desktop. Want a clean view? Windows key plus D minimizes all open windows and shows you your desktop. 9. Alt plus F4 close any application with ease. Need to shut down a program fast? Alt plus F4 closes the currently active application. And number 10. Win key plus S. Open the search bar to quickly find what you need on your PC. Master these shortcuts and become the ultimate Windows ninja. Feeling like a Windows Pro already? Let me know in the comments below which shortcut surprised you the most. And if you have any hidden tricks of your own, be sure to share them. There's always more to learn in the ninja way.